Pan tool. Drag your image to bring the hidden areas to the view. The 3 buttons on the options bar allow you to choose any one of the 3 standard viewing modes: actual pixels, fit on screen, or print size. Zoom tool. Zoom tool allows you to zoom in by clicking the image and zooming out by holding Alt while clicking. Double-click the icon and the image will view as 100% or actual pixels. The steps to use Zoom tool are: in the toolbox, select the Zoom tool. Click anywhere on the image to magnify it. To reduce the view, click on Zoom Out button on the options bar, then click your image. Shortcut key for zoom is Ctrl++, Ctrl+- for zoom out. If you check resize windows to fit in the options bar, the document window is resized to fit better your image every time you use the zoom. In the options bar, select any one of 3 standard views: actual pixels, fit on screen, or print size. Optionally, you can choose Fit on Screen view by double-clicking the Zoom button on your toolbox. Tick the correct statement and cross out the wrong one.